Hey guys, still don't have my tripod back. My girlfriend still got my tripod. So the price card issue that we had last week, I've been working on it all week, and I had some old pallet wood sitting around. So pallet wood, chalkboard paint, no brainer, quick and easy. I made up a whole stack of them, a couple of different sizes, and simple. I can erase them, change the prices whenever I want to. I can change prices on the go. Gosh, that was a quick and easy crank out for me. Let's see, what else do we do? Ooh, we did this. I did this chalkboard. Had an old easel sitting in the back of the barn. So I just put some chalkboard paint on that while I was painting up the signs, and that worked out really, really well for us. Really got kids to stop and look at stuff, or got kids to stop and draw on the chalkboard. It just says draw on me on the top, left them room to draw. Man, if you get the kids to stop, the parents have got to stop with them. 2 coats of chalkboard paint. I'd like to do a couple more. I'm just using the Rust-Oleum chalkboard paint. Guys, I know there's ways to make your own, but I didn't have time to make my own or mess around with it. How many coats of chalkboard paint do you use when you use chalkboard paint for stuff? I know, we don't like putting chalkboard paint on everything we do, but it's got an application. So when you guys do use it, if you're using it, how many coats are you using? I threw on 2 and it works pretty well. What else? The bowls. Ooh, let me show you a couple bowls. Okay, so I used to do all of my bowls in this style, where it was the half log all the way down to the table. This is, by the way, a cell phone holder. Obviously, the cell phone goes right here, leans up against the branch. I'll try and throw a picture in if I can get a picture of it. This is my new design. I had to chamfer the edges, and people are just loving this thing. Black walnut. So this is a mini bowl, small bowl. Here's one of the medium bowls. And there's a large bowl, which I'm sold out of because I'm a rocking salesman and I sold out of bowls again. Got to make more. I know there's not enough hours in the day to get all this stuff made. But, so that one seems to be doing pretty well. I think that's about it for this week. I'll throw some pictures up. Again, guys, questions, comments, throw them down below, and I'll try to answer everything I can. If you guys want to see how anything is made, throw it in the comments section. I'll either link to the videos of me making it, or I will do a video of how it's made. All right, thank you guys. Remember, like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.